I think there's been a murder at Shawnee Mission South. I'm requesting backup right now. Here's the pictures.
Backup is now arriving at Shawnee Mission South. I am now going to label the evidence to make sure nothing is tampered with. It appears we have a bloody shoe and a bloody Hydroflask. What has happened here?
Now I will take pictures of the evidence with the markers and measurements. Now I will measure using my clear measuring tape.
Now I will put on these fresh gloves so that I can take blood samples and examine more evidence. Can I have a cotton swab and test tube? There appears to be blood on this Hydroflask. That is so suspicious. Let us just take a nice little swish. Now we're gonna safely place our bloody cotton thing in the test tube. Could you please pass me an envelope so I may store this safely? Okay, I will now place it inside of the envelope, making sure to close it properly. And then I will tape it up with this designated red tape, marking that it is sealed. Now I must fill out this chain of custody form to make sure that the evidence is not tampered with. Now I have put on new gloves so that I can take more blood samples with this clean swab and tube. Oh my gosh! This appears to be the bloody footprint of a killer who was running away from a Hydroflask murder scene. We should check our database and register this to see what kind of shoe this is, right? Now that I have these fresh gloves on, I can safely store it in a envelope.
All right, so now that we're back at the crime lab, I can now dust my murder weapon for fingerprints. And I can already see some here. I have fresh gloves on, and I'm going to take my little fingerprint brush. Stop it, I need to... Okay, so now I'm gonna take my fingerprint brush and I'm gonna dust. And then I'm going to take some of this dusting powder. I'm gonna brush this on where fingerprints could be. And then I'm going to take my fingerprint tape and I'm going to lift this fingerprint. There's a science to lifting fingerprints. You just do it. Okay, so I see one right here. I'm going to rub the tape where the fingerprint is. And then I'm going to lift. And as you can see, there's a fingerprint on the tape. And that is how you take your fingerprint. Now I will take this tape off and put it in a fresh paper bag. Then I'm gonna tape it with some red evidence tape. So I heard you were talking stuff about me earlier.
Yeah, because your Hydroflask is dumb.
My Hydroflask is what?
It's dumb.